what we are doing is we are using the so-called stable coins and some other digital assets to actually move value, the actual value from one country to the other. So it's not exactly a ledger entry, but we are actually moving the value from the one country to the other. And stable coins are very fast and they are very liquid in most part of the world, especially dollar-backed stable coins. So at this time, of course, we have to define what a stable coin actually is.
Yeah, that'd be good.
It's a very technical solution, actually. I'll try to explain it as simple in layman's terms, so to speak, in plain English. So a stablecoin is a particular cryptocurrency. It's a digital money, so to speak, that is backed by a particular fiat money. So if you want to issue a stablecoin, what you do is you put $1 to a certain bank account, an actual bank account, and you create $1 worth of stablecoin in any blockchain. It could be Ethereum, it could be Bitcoin, it could be Tron, it could be a public blockchain, or it could be a private blockchain like Libra does. So for the stablecoin is a representation of that fiat money on the internet, basically, but a very, very peculiar kind of interpretation. So for example, when I send you a PDF file, I'm not actually sending the PDF file to you. I'm sending a copy of that PDF file. In our current databases and in our current digital infrastructure, we always create copies of files. That's what stablecoins do not do. That's the stablecoin part solves the problem solved, because money needs to be unique, right? You shouldn't be able to copy money. It's counterfeiting, right? So that's what blockchain solves. It makes sure that a created asset remains unique, and it's always unique if it is in country A, and if it's whether it's country B, it always remains a unique asset. It's not a copy of an asset. It's the asset.
So just to explain, then, it's a bit like if you were to create a PDF. But you could not copy that PDF. That was the only version of that PDF you could ever have. Yeah. And nobody will be able to copy it. Nobody will be able to counterfeit it or anything.
When I'm sending that uncopyable PDF to you, it's no longer in my own Dropbox or in my own computer. It's now it only exists in your computer right now, or in your cloud solution, whichever you use. So that's the difference between a stable coin and a normal digital assets that we understand at this particular point of time.
Okay, so people can use stablecoin then is a kind of cryptocurrency on the blockchain, as you've said, but so what makes it stable? Because this is key to this working, right?
Yes. Well, there are two particular ways at this point in current time for a stablecoin to remain stable. And from stable, what we understand is it's pegged against one base currency, like US dollars. So US dollar is volatile against euro, but it's not that volatile, you know. And what makes a stablecoin different from a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin is its value doesn't swing, so to speak, based on $1 representation. So
it's not traded. It's not.
It is traded, and that's the whole point. It is traded, but the reason why you're trading it is not the same as you're trading Bitcoin. You trade Bitcoin to make money. You cannot make money off of a stablecoin. So what people are using stablecoin for to on-ramp to an exchange and buy Bitcoin. You know, so instead of using euros and dollars and other exotic currencies like Turkish lira, you buy stablecoin and you push it to an exchange to buy Bitcoin. So stable coins are sort of the money on the internet that you use to buy other assets, you know? So what we are trying to do, instead of buying assets, why don't we buy fiat money with stable coins? And that's exactly how our technology works.
If you like this video, check out the full interview. This is an excerpt from. You should see a link to that full interview somewhere here on the screen, and I'll also put one in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking it and sharing it, and do subscribe to the channel if you want to stay up to date with all my videos as they go live. Thank you so much for watching, and stay curious.